started. Okay, today we want to look into registering our domain name and hosting account. All right, let's visit our Chrome for accessing our Hostinger account. So this is our Chrome. All right, we'll type hostinger.com because we want to use Hostinger as the domain registrar and also the hosting provider. I type hostinger.com. All right, enter. This is no problem, but there's a problem, not that it's actually like that. Continue to site. All right, then this place we are going to search for the domain name you want to use, whether it is available or not.
Okay.
What do we want to put? Let's say property network, or let's say property network. Want to do a real estate property. Property network. I want to do .shop. Let's say if it's available, then click enter to search the .shop, whether it's available. It's available.
It's available.
It's available. Property network .shop. Now if you search .com, it might not be available. You know, this is a popular name.
Where is it showing availability now?
Exact match. Means available.
Okay,
if it's not available, it will now show you already taken. This one is already taken. I just watch. It's already taken. We found a great alternative for you. Do you understand? That is great alternative. This is great alternative. .online. .shop will also be available, but .com is not always available because people have picked it. So we can search more now. See them, right? These are top level domain, differences in top level domain. Like store, online, shop, management, tech. And each of them come with different prices. The one that is always .ai will be the costliest. So what do? We set the .shop. It says available. .shop. Enter. It's available.
It's available.
Yes, it's available.
It's not taken yet.
Yes. Come here. Come and sit down. Now click make it yours.
Make it. Yes, okay.
So we want to buy it. So now the Hostinger will bring you to this interface. This interface now will either you choose either to continue with the hosting account, which means the hosting will be simpler for you, or you leave it. That is, I just want to a domain now.
Okay, yes, I just want a domain name.
Yes, only domain name. Maybe now once you purchase, you can then link it to another domain provider, hosting provider elsewhere. You can do it. You can use Hostinger for domain registration. You can use TrueHost for hosting accounts and link the both. It works, which means you have two managers now. But I always advise let's use one. Everything will be simpler for you. That's what I did in our own. So I can now say, okay, this is what we registered. I can now say, okay, let's get a business bundle. Alright. So it's bringing us to the cart. That is to shop and to check out. That is in case you want to continue with hosting account. But if you already have hosting account like me now, I will only continue with that domain registration. You now say 1 year. How much are they charging you? $34 per year. Cancel at any time. Alright. Then what is the total? 53. Alright. This period 12 months. You can see all of them. This is free. They are giving us already. This is, we are saving $174 because you are a first time registration, right?
Yes.
Then this is your checkout. You can see domain registration 1 year. How much? $0. They are giving you free. Then ICANN fee. I don't know which fee is this. Domain privacy protection. Hide your personal information from public. Because if I want to know who registered Facebook, I'll go to who.com. Knowwho.com, something like that. You go and check the domain registration information, who registered it, the year and everything. Whois.com. You'll be able to check who registered a particular domain, the year, the person, and number, the phone number, the email address. But if you pay for this, they will then hide your information. Because if somebody knows your information, they can scam you, they can devise strategy. Just as somebody yesterday called me and say, Namdi, say good afternoon, say I should look for a lawyer. Lawyer that will handle real estate. I was like, okay, it's okay. I said, you don't know me, guy? I said, okay. I just called some. I will be late till evening. He said, call. I will not send. I look for my personal number. I send the wife's number. That's how God works. So I now said, you send me the wife. Okay, I will send you the husband home. And my man now tell me, I say, do you think this person is genuine? I said, let me ask him a question. Sir, where do you know me from? And I say, you don't know. If you don't know me, just he cut the card. Okay. Okay,
that's true.
See people. They can use anyway, but the best thing is hide your information. If you don't know my name, and I know he will get my name from Truecaller. See how risky it is.
Exactly.
He will show your name, and it's very bad. In US, you can't try publicize people's name anyhow. You can't try unless you put agreement form. So here the United States.
I want to ask, this domain privacy protection now, where is it here?
We're not filling it here, but it's just that they are showing you here.
Okay.
Alright?
Okay.
Later, this might be free for this year.
Okay.
But renewal, you will start paying them maybe like $3.2 to protect it for you. But it's not something to do yet. Then 12-month period is $53. Renewal, $227. Daily backup, $25 per year. Renewal, alright? That daily backup. You can turn off the daily backup and be doing it manual for yourself. But the manual may be risky. But if you can buckle up and do it.
Backup now. Well, okay.
That every day it will be backing up your website.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
They will be backing it up for you, automatic.
But for now it's zero.
For now it's zero. So you can decide later to turn it on and start paying them.
Okay.
So which means they will be backing it up for you for now, right? Free. Next year, after 1 year, they will no longer back it up for you. You have to pay them to start backing it up. Alright. Then taxes is zero. Total is $3.88. Then we now click continue. So in the continue, check it out. Now you see this place, right? This trust palette is where you get to know companies that are genuine. People, you see, they have 64,570 people who review them on Trustpilot, and they're having like 4.5 star rating, 4.7 star rating, which means they are genuine. If your company is being rated down there, somebody who goes to here to check it, things that are there are genuine. You review they are genuine. So I click continue, right? Then they continue. So they are trying to tell us to add mailbox, which you can do later. You can do this one later. Now click.
But if you don't want to use mailbox for it,
you can just ignore it. It's not compulsory. Ignore it. Then now click register.
Okay, from here now.
Yes. That's where that place we reached yesterday also.
From here now, you know, we don't have email for this particular
email, right?
How do we create email for this? Because I don't want to use my Gmail. If I don't want to use my Gmail, the reason is that if I put my Gmail here now, using my Gmail password, I'm going to know, okay, that's how they say I should register.
Yes.
Okay, we are just registering now.
You can use your own email. So I click on the next one.
Lẹ́yìn rẹ̀ ti pé sí vibration tó ń lọ sí ìgbìmọ̀ àti sí vibration. Ìwà àwọn bí àmì tí wọ́n ti ta padà. Mo láti kó webcam àti oníwèé lọ́tọ̀ fún àtúwájẹ́ pé àwọn tó máa wà níbẹ̀ wọ́n ti lé provision sílẹ̀ tí ó ṣe lọ́tí ọkàn lọ ṣe outside work. Kí ní eléyìí stakeholder meeting ni kò kí ní ọ̀ṣọ́ ajá àṣùgbọ́n ètò ìbára. Okay, ṣé ti training náà ní àwọn branches ni wọ́n ní ìmọ̀ bó ṣe máa ń yìí sí fún wọn. Mo ti bèèrè àwọn ọ̀gá ìgbàgbọ́ ṣe ti Lagos gbogbo náà lè bá mi ṣe kí lè máa wọ́n ní pẹ̀lú ìgbà tó máa rẹ̀ bí ti di ọ̀sán wọn. Wọ́n fi máa ń pè ní nígbà kan lọ́gbẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ wọ́n lè ṣiṣẹ́. Exactly. What was the people who did that? Put that shit on. Sorry for so we are just registering now.
Yes.
So even if I use the Gmail, I'm putting a new password here. Okay, just like as we do for
even like just check the focus.
Like Samsung, I register with your email address is here.
Yes.
For different password.
Different password.
Okay. I didn't know that's why.
Okay,
I was asking yesterday. Hope it's not the same password.
No, not the same password.
Oh, okay. Let's use the Google one.
Now let's use this and see if I'm still logged in. Suppose see as simple as this now. I'll click here and it will log me in.
But actually you didn't register.
I've registered with them. Okay, but if I didn't register now, they will take me to maybe a small process, maybe to put my username in the hosting. You understand it? Or if not, they will just sign me and know that I'm coming from Google login portal. Alright? And they will link me back. I hope you understand it.
Okay, well, we are doing my own.
Yes. Now let's assume this one is difficult for us. Let's go back. And now let me use my email.
Okay.
Let me use this one. sthenry101@gmail.com, right?
Yes.
And now put password and say
create a password.
yes, I say
password.
2345 TTTRWQI. Even if hacker come and see this one, you see it. I don't want to do it again.
It's good. It's very good.
So, but the thing is, if you make mistake in one of them, you are gone.
That's why this one, you have to put it somewhere like notepad.
Yes, you have to save it.
Yeah.
You cannot cram this one. So, assuming now we're registering, or let's say, let me put a wrong email, blah 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 blah. Yes, and I click register. They're going to ask me to, they may send code there. Yeah, he has registered it. I think he has registered it. So now this one, you just save the Google. You see, right? They registered it without missing. You see, it's risky. The thing they are doing is risky. It's supposed to verify that it is correct, because I may give a typo there now, as I have given, and I will go and pay them and finish paying. I cannot access the.
Yes. It's very risky. It's supposed to show that log into your mail.
Yes,
code sent to your mail. First confirm.
But this is not something. Not when your account is booming now. Your website is making money. For you to make a change, they will ask you to get a code. Can you get a code from this name?
This billing address now, is it where the client or you?
However, you can decide to use client's own. You can decide to use your own. Alright? But the person that will provide the payment should at least let it be the same with this. Now I'm going to use my account to make payments. I will feel exactly mine. But if you're going to use client's own, you feel his.
Exactly.
Alright? Let's say my name is, first name is Namdi, last name is Henry, country, I'm a Nigerian, then number 000 blah blah blah, address, phone number is invalid, right? No problem. Address, anything, this and that, right? City, I am in city RRT. I'm in zip code, Kuje is 900105. That is Kuje.
Okay, this is Kuje.
Yeah, Kuje own is majorly, I usually see this as their own.
900.
Yes. Then, once you're done, you continue. Next step will be payment, but now I want to make it needs to be. Is it still one?
We will not take that.
It's too short.
It's supposed to be.
Let me just use 070. 074, no problem. We enter a valid city name, right? Say Abuja, no problem. I want them to just agree. And we're doing that. Continue to take us to see payment option, right? Say I should save address. I will not save address. They are still showing us what we're paying, so that we are aware. Now, which payment option? You can use PayPal. Alright. You can use Google Pay, GPay. You can use OPay. You see, right? You can use Alipay. The business, one business day. Alipay Hong Kong, Colgate. These are the options they have. You can use card. Any bank card you have, you can use this. But I use this. This is one of the simplest. You now say submit payment. They will now take you to your OPay merchant. You now fill this information. You say continue with OPay. I will see the process. Bro, pay attention. Continue. You now take you to OPay. You say either OPay account or OPay. See, right? Payment processing. You are paying the 73,000 naira. I paid it something, I think, during my merchant name, Hosinga Nigeria. See, right? Total. After 29 minutes, it expired. So don't pay after 29 minutes if you're doing yours. Now pay with OPay. What's your phone number? Enter the see this login details. See how simple OPay used to make things. As simple as this also, you can see
the 6-digit login password.
Yeah, like your OPay now. In OPay, when you register, there are two codes you create. The first is 4. We call it transaction code. The second is login code. It's always 6.
Okay.
It's a number, not they are all numbers.
Okay.
So now what I do is that my OK number and that my OK CVV code.
Okay.
Okay.
That's I used to see it in the advert on the
okay. Login password and all that. So once I enter it now, I'll now click next. The other it will show you an acknowledgement portal that you click OK. You will now process payment and you now say okay, go back to your merchant or go back to the payment. You click go back. The next thing is you will now refer it to the hostinger. The hostinger will now say yes, you are paid. Continue the process. Now continuing the process, it will now lead you to just be reading what they are saying. I will go to do it with your own now, but we can't continue now because it's now something that involves money. When you reach money on all of us,
it's true.
So assuming we have done all that, right? It is now leading us back to hostinger.
Okay.
Go back, let's assume it's still waiting for us that time. Say one in your premium did not something. We're going back. Let's go back to the login. So I log in with my own and go and get that. Let's assume we have registered the domain name now. We're going to now link the the address to the account. Alright, this is it now. I want to now log in.
Okay, you go to the hostinger site.
I will now go see my account. It's taking me to this place because I've already registered with that wrong address. And they're not doing well. They're not doing well by granting the wrong address. It's not good. So what we do just as you're doing it,
make sure people using
this one. This is one of the top, maybe top 3 or top 5. It's just that you are going to be the one to be careful that moment. That is the only flag I can give them, red flag I can give them. They are like top 5 amongst other hosting provider or domain registrar. Even if you ask AI will suggest it for you. So now I want to log in. I'm logging with that wrong one.
With the right one.
I want to log in with the right one.
But as you come up with all these ones,
it means that one is logged in. So I want to log out. You see that? See here something.
You mean that one you did that one?
Yes. So I want to log out now and log in with my. This thing. If I pass today, it may not be possible again. So I want to now log in with my own. See, we have followed this process, right? Yes. I want to now follow this one. See how simple it is. Yes. Which means you must be logged into your Google before you do this. Yes. Even if you are not logged in, you will now take you to the Google login portal. You log in there, finish, you will now link you back to this place. This is my own now. Okay. You can see my first, dailydigitalfinance.com. We have the website, which we can visit from this place. That one, say dailydigitalfinance.com. Alright, this is our website now. And I can how to make money online with forex trading. As you can see, right? Your own. How to make money with this. I'll have you go home again. So this is our own. I'm just using it to blog. So, alright, so let's go back. That's the first one. This one is future tech domain. You can also see it. Future tech domain.com. As you can see, as I logged in, it showed me all my information on the website I've created. This is future tech domain. That's it. See, I use a different team. That's why you're seeing animation here. This is different from the other one.
Yes.
The team I use here, I think the other one is Astra. I think team called Astra. This one is another team.
Okay.
Those teams will give all these things. These are the website. These are the web posts we made. I think I made this one on March 19. By who? Author. This is the author. I can use this is my display name, but I can change it. That okay, let me now enter this place. What is the application data? So this is the website. Good. So going back again, I see all other ones. ai.zantica.com. This is Zantica, the main one we have. This is the one I made mistake. That is not linking us to this. Yeah. Then this one I say estateproperty.shop. We'll link it. Say create website. Create website. That is now we're going to link it to this our domain host. You get now. And click. Once you're done now, this is how it will show you your own also. You now click create website. Please, can you tell them? Please, tell them that I shout. I'll come and increase it. Stay here and tell them so that you don't waste your own time. Alright, so Autorenewal is off. Why should I Autorenew?
You know, we've not made payments. Have you shared this one we have not?
I've paid. It's just for me. I've paid for this.
Okay.
But why we follow that process is that we want to assume we just created this now.
Okay.
So once you created it, it can still take you to processes. But if you don't want, you just log out. Later you log in again. You will see your domain that you purchased. I purchased this domain. Since that was the first domain I purchased. Now you can auto renew. Did you go and increase it?
Yeah, yesterday.
Say register your main security, which is the domain I have. Create or migrate your website. I've not again started. Use it now. And that is the process of everything now. Greet your elders. I will face all of you. Thank God I spotted this on time. Alright, so just click get started.
Okay.
If it's a phone, it will be a different layout. But at least so far you can read all this. Let me increase this so that
I prefer this.
the system, right?
I can see it.
Okay, yes. Yes.
No answer.
So as it gets started, you want to now create that website. See that? Create a website. Bring your website to Hostinger. That's your hosting account. See how they are using different names to confuse us. You understand? So that is why that's the hosting account they are talking about. Bring your hosting account to Hostinger.
So this one now we are just creating a website afresh.
Yes, now we are creating a website. So we are going to click create a website. Will you click on?
I'll click it later.
Okay. Now click create. The click will be doing it. Let me show you.
Okay,
that
you should click this. Okay.
Next.
Okay.
Alright. This place, how do you want to build your website? Is it with WordPress or a website builder by AI, the hosting AI, or Horizons? We're going to use this one. Now this one is vibe coding. This Horizon, right? Is AI owned, fully AI. You'll be giving a prompt, you'll be creating for you. But let's use the master. Click next. Create login details for your WordPress account. See where we are now, right? Now this is the WordPress admin mail. Let's say we want to use this, right? Then the admin password. Now put the password. You have to know. You have to. Okay. Sorry.
Good morning. Well done. No, I went out. Yes. I 17. How do you on the game? Okay, no, I don't hear. Thank you. Thank you. But not go out with the cash. Okay, thank you. Okay, my details to your husband, my children. Okay, thank you. Hello, sir. Hi, sir. He told me that every time. I just thought that, yes. Okay, thank you very much, sir. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay, yeah, thank you. It's good as I pick it.
So we can now put our password. You see how they say password is suggested. We can copy it and save and continue, or we can change it.
Add something.
All right. One number. We're doing it so that you can match. One number. Then yes. Lowercase alphabet.
Sorry. It's like maybe I press something.
Do
Okay, that's better.
so you can copy it now.
Okay.
That is.
Is it to do Control A, Control C?
You can do Control A to select all. So click next, and you can see this is your password. I mean your email. Right. Click next. Good. Type a domain we want to use. Don't mind them. We want to use this one. That's the one we're working with. Click on it.
Okay, I just click.
Click on it.
Okay. Is it on the phone?
Yes, anywhere on that axis.
Okay, to take it.
Okay. Now click next. Let me hide this. Click next. It's installing WordPress.
On my system.
This might take a few minutes. It's installing WordPress on the website.
Okay.
On the hosting account. You know it's not the
server now.
Yes, it's getting it from where it is deposited, the WordPress codes. You know it's a package of code. They are now packing it into your your website hosting account now.
Okay.
The storage now is going to the server.
Okay.
I enjoy 4G network.
Yeah.
My phone is 4G, but I was using 3. This may fail, this may say fail, but at least you can see as speed is You can read the link, right? Page equals hosting, and they used to separate each query string. You can put more and to query. So when you come now, they will know that the page you're going to visit is Hostinger page. Which action are we doing? Onboarding. Onboarding means you're setting things up. Now I say choose how you would like to build your website. So I don't even know the scroll level. Create a website with AI. No, you will get stuff that you don't like. I want to use pre-built websites and themes. Click on it. Click next. This is the kind of like process you are following. It may not even be necessary. Alright. Now you can say use a theme instead. If you use any of this, they will go and generate contact page, about page, home page, blog page, and all have you. But you may not need some articles they will put in. Just click use a theme so that later you can now generate it yourself. So I want to use the theme. We're going to use Astra. Astra is one of the fastest theme because all these things. That noise, Victor. We don't. All these things, the codes that are there, they are they are always heavy. Alright, while loading the website, the user is trying to view your website, is downloading codes now. Right, Astra is always fast. Alright, you can click Astra. Let's see. This one is default 2025. You have 2024. So that's the name. So use Astra. Click next. So what is it? Add plugins to your site. These are the plugins that are recommended. You know what I mean by plugin now? WooCommerce for that store sales. You get now.
So this other one.
Let me explain. All-in-one SEO. This one helps you to customize your SEO management. Search engine optimization. They help you. Maybe when you're creating your title, they will show you that this title is 100% SEO optimized or 0%. If it's low, try to optimize it. They know how it works. Don't follow their prompts, alright? WP forms. This one is used to generate that Google-like forms, and it will be live on your website.
Okay.
Do you get it now? That one you are asking now. You don't need to code it from scratch. You use this one to do it.
Okay.
This one is Monster Insights to check analysis. That's who visited your website, how many people, what is the traffic like, alright, where is the source, how many minutes did this stay on your website, alright, they'll give you all those things. But this one is better than this. Alright, okay, they function alike, so we choose this. That's why this one was selected. If you choose the both of them and it's not activate, they will tell you, they will inform you, the WordPress will inform you that there is two plugins that are a kind of going to clash. So you needed one. Ask email, protect your website by blocking spam comments and spam in there. This is just like a comments. This is a WooCommerce. So if you want a store, you get it. If you don't want, later we can disable this, and later we do it one by one.
Okay.
Alright. So you can say select all. Let's continue with the three that is selected for us, and then click next.
Okay.
The WP form is installing the plugins now. It's downloading the plugin code from the market into the WordPress. Do you get now? You push the charger. Don't use it for football. You push the charger. Good. So at this point, you make sure that network is stable.
Okay.
Don't leave the list system. Don't leave the list system. You can start doing how we do now. Okay, I think they are done with it now. Let them speak in this and this, right? Let them take out the Bluetooth. Yeah? No, one person take it down, we don't have time. Thank God for this now. It's heat nowadays, yeah. I think it's done, right?
Yes.
Bro? Everybody. So this is the WordPress. You are welcome to the WordPress. All the blah 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 blah, all the English, here we are. Alright. So this place is just like the menu here, the tab. This is the menu. Bar. That way you get all of it. This is the Hostinger, where you have all the Hostinger resources, because the Hostinger is the one that hosted it now. If it's through host who has its own tab. You get now. Then onboarding. That's take it to where you're customizing stuff. This is the AI. You can ask it question related to Hostinger. It will guide you. These are different things, but we don't need it much unless you want to manage some things there. Alright. Then that is for this. Each of those plugins, right? They have their own related menus. This menu are for this. This Hostinger which is a plugin. Any plugin you install will have a tab attached to this place. Alright, this is a dashboard for the main WordPress. Alright, this is a kind of like welcome page where it brings you. You'll be reading some things WordPress is posting for you. As you can see, right? Now I will tell you, this thing was stored. It occupies the storage size in your website hosting account. Like WordPress for you. you occupy some space, because this thing you install now is a kind of a bunch of code put in your server. It's already put there now, so that people can be visiting to be serving them. The PHP, Python, all have you are there. So scroll. So this dashboard, on that dashboard we have home now. We have updates, home and updates are there. Then we have site kits. We tell us to set it up, or let's set it up. Right, set up the site kits. Connect with Google, you log in with Google account, you start pushing your resources to the Google account, to the accounts, so that people can be able to, maybe once you want to set a website, you can be able to have information to present. This is not the dashboard. Can we in dashboard? This dashboard, sorry. The dashboard, the main place it brings us. That's the landing page where we come to the place. Then posts. See what I'm telling you, that this posts. Here you have the menu or the home portal for posts. You can see all the posts we made. They made a post for called Hello World. Alright? Then you can see add posts. Even here you can also see add posts. Click add posts. When I finish, we'll add the posts. Here is categories. You can create categories. That is one that have slash blogs. There's all those kind of stuff. We have tags. Tags like maybe in Facebook have like hashtag now. All those kind of things. Media where you can post your video, your images. Every time you can use it. Pages where you can create page. Little pages, contacts, about, and all of this. Come. Tell them we are not the owner of this plaza. Tell them we are not the owner of this plaza. You hear me? Don't disturb people. Please, let the people have peace. I'm making my own request. You're making your own request. You should go first. Oh yeah, give them. Carry your keyboard. I've got your request, right? People should not make noise. It's okay? Oh yeah, come. People should go and test your laptop. Test the laptop you will carry. That's them. She has to come and carry it. I'll keep it later so sister will test it. So in the pages, you see pages also. They must have created some pages for us, like privacy policy. They do that for us. See that you can preview it. So the next is comments. If you have a comments in your post, you will see view them. WP form, you see the menu, right? Now from this place, WP form, you see all the tabs attached to it. See all the tabs, right? Add me for entries. I'm not having. There is payment version, right? Who is that person? Ask him what he's looking for. These are the menus. Any plugin you install have a menu that you need to manage it. As you can see, start from here now and end here. Alright? Now this is Astra, the plugin, sorry, the theme we are using. You get now? The theme we use very fast. I was wondering when I click my website, I think that feature take the main FAM. As if I didn't even click it to open immediately. It's because of this theme. It's very fast. But if you install a theme that is very heavy, it will also affect. What's the problem? I should come. Come now, let's attend to you now.
Okay,
so have to know this morning.
I felt I shouldn't disturb.
Oh, no problem. Yeah.
You are looking for the latest thing.
Yes, sir.
I'm just something I wanted to say.
Okay, if it's not take time, let's do it.
Please, sorry.
Sorry.
Student.
not come back. Yeah, I know what she's
Okay. Then this Astra, we have dashboard, we have a place where we customize the Astra. That is where you see people will pay attention. Let me not be calling you customize. You're customizing it, you put logo, put the site title, the hashtag and all have it. We'll do that. Just site builder, you build the site, you learn how to manage the Astra. Then the appearance, that's where you get to see all the teams, to install teams, design it, customize it, widgets, menus, and TIFF file editor. That's where you can put a custom code. Alright? So maybe you put a code you want to design that the team is not offering. Alright. Next thing is plugin. That's where you get all the plugins. You see those things will install that live. Okay. All all in one SEO, hosting AI, hosting easy boarding, hosting reach, hosting there's things you will show some options, but because it's mandatory to them, hosting to price fit WP forms, see that one will start that time. And these are you can also add plugin. So I click add plugin to take us to the thousands of them. You can see them, right? This is thousands. Alright. Chart, you can see chart, see where and many things. Payments and all of it. Bro, don't be drinking water close the system. Yeah, this is the menu related to this also. Once you click it to open. Okay. The next is users. Maybe your son is one of them managing now. You now we're only one. Now I can add the user. So the person is always on top. We can also close this one, not disturb you. Okay. You can search users.
I'll give you a role.
Yes.
To the user.
Yes. You can give you a role. The role is administrator. You can now edit the user. Alright? So you can add the user and add a role, subscriber role, this route, another how you change role to see that these are the roles we have: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, administrator. No role. That is a kind of visit. This is a menu related to this also. All users add user profile. If you don't know the opportunity you're using, if I slap you, come here.
I don't know.
I say come here. So choose. So also open it. The tools has also opened. Tools we have. Good tools. What are the tools? We have small import, export, site, I know how you. Now these are settings that you can set up. That I'm going to show you where you configure that URL I'm telling you. URL log. Site title is what? So I'm going to use it as site title is this. See, I can customize it, but it doesn't affect the URL. Let's state what? Property. But now what?
This one will show at the browser tab.
No. It will show at the viewport. Let me show you. This is estate property, right? Estate property shop. I'm going to visit it. This is it now. See that at this place. See, it was showing and it just disappeared immediately. We were trying to edit it, that's why. So this is the site. You see, I have not customized much. This is a Hello World website it created for us. This is one of the web posts.
All these ones are they going to?
Not show this because I'm admin.
Okay.
They are showing us this. Okay. So I'm not admin, you can never show. That is, if I open a what's it called? An incognito tab, you see that it will not show. What's it called? Estate one. Estate property shop. Shouldn't show here because I'm not logging in incognito now. Can I see that?
Yes.
How is it? So I will look at incognito. estate property. That's the name instead of estate property or shop. Doesn't make sense. Tagline. You can say property things. You can say property. Tagline is a kind of like slogan. Say property things. Choose a site icon. Right, that's your site icon. You can click it. Yes, that's your logo. Even though you customize it in your team directly also, not exactly the general. Your team can give you that also.
I have the logo on the system now.
Yes. I will just click here. It will open. Just select file. To open our file explorer menu now.
Okay,
and now click JMin generator stuff. Okay. And now show us. This is it. It's uploading. It's uploaded. Alright. And I'm going to show the image now. We will now click set as site icon once it enables. It's going to come soon. Alright. This is a logo I use AI to generate for our daily digital finance. For what's it called? For the website. So I use the logo. I ask AI to do this for me. I use my logo and it does it like this. And I can now say set it aside that what I don't want. Once you finish, you will now click set. Close. Alright, the next thing is WordPress address space. Just leave it as it is. Administration email.
But there's nothing like, if you look at this one, there's
WWS. There's no S.
Yeah,
yes. But now you know how the S work. This thing is original.
Okay.
But the S, it will be redirected to the S phone.
Okay.
When you are visiting this one will now redirect you to the S phone.
Okay.
So membership, anyone can register. So anyone can register in this. New user register rule, you can say subscriber. Site language, this is it, I don't have it. Now, okay, you can now click save changes. Saving it in the server now. I saved it. This is our listen now. Let me see.
Maybe when we run it now.
Let me see if we can. If we do that, that means we will customize it in the team. Okay. You get it now? It means the team is not allowing us to show this yet. Alright. Then inside the settings also, you know, set to have their own menu. You go to writing, that is when you're posting, what are the customizations? What the default category? We only have one, we'll create category. You get? Default post format, standard. And there are other post formats, aside, chart, gallery, and all have you. Standard we're using. Post email, just leave all these ones. Password, just leave all them. Nice. Update services, okay? You can answer, do you need to change anything? Nothing changed. You just leave it. And go to, okay. Permalinks. On the permalink, it will now show us how should our link be customized. Is it plain? That is, it will be like this. You understand it? That is the post ID is what? You will now give you the post ID. See the query string. That is, anytime your post is being posted, or creating a post, the post will be the link will be customized in this way. Okay. So that you will not have the name, but you have P. They know how to manage the P. 1, 2, 3 is the ID of the post. 1, 2, 3 is a kind of like sample, but the idea of the row can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, and 50. Day and name. That is day when it was posted, and then the name of the post, the title of the post. Or you can say month and name, or numeric alone. Right? Or post name. I usually go with custom. Why? In the custom, I would like to append my category first, then post name. Do you see what I did now? I can decide to also put author, so that author can come here. That is, anytime you post it, put the author name, put the category it was posted under, and the post name. That is, instead of this, you now put slash, author name, slash, category name, slash, post name before you put dot anything. I can now put post ID is from. Just always click like this and click post ID. The ID will be here. So which means if you put ID, this one may not be needed again now. To be a kind of redundancy. I can put second. Like in second, when did you post? And this second now, I will now come and click here also, please. And click my minute. Minute should be here. Okay, now I can put my hour here. That's how I'm doing all this. So I can now put my day here. Okay, now I can also put my month here. Okay, here also I cannot put my year here. Put my year here. Did you get it now? I put my year here. When I finish, let's say, but this one is too much. It's too much. The line will be too much. So I cannot do. What do we do? Can we customize it to only category and post name? Category and post name. Yes. Post name. Yes. You cannot click save. Bring them up, let me check if the other networks are connected there. Always look down. Hey bro, give me my phone. Obviously I don't finish my book. Okay. You know, if you plug in this thing, you connect data to start playing it because of some services updating. Yes. Check it out. Excuse me. Huh? Where? I don't think there's time. Come, hold this more. Okay. Back now. Just disconnected. I pity if I ask you to repeat it from beginning to the end. Disconnect it. Supposed to connect here. Showing connected here. Disconnected again. Come this side. Go to the side. Connected. Let's refresh the setting. Yeah. So we should save the repeat. Now let's try to save again. Because so fast. Okay. See how all the options. But this is the best for me. Right. Okay, let's now add a post. Or let's go to customize our theme. How do we customize our theme? By coming to either the main theme tab or you click on appearance. When you hover on appearance, will show you for menu. You now click customize. This is a live customization, so customizing your scene how it is. So now, on the global customization, it's talking about typography. How does your design going to look? We want it to look like this. See, it's showing us how it is there. Always you can publish the change. Colors, how do you want the color to be? Okay, you want to choose. This. Choose green. You selected it? Yeah, the green, the color of the text, same color. And now have you? Right now, all the site background like. I use gradient as the site background. Okay, I use green. Now let's get a refresh like this and see if it works. See that? This is our website too, which means we are going to delete most of this. Yeah, because it's automatic. Here is services. So all these menus, this is a menu.
We'll change
the link.
What we want.
We change it to where it can take us to. See, right? See, the website is half built now. You only just put in your information. It's a template. Can you see now? Very simple. Yeah, this place now is going to remove the name. This thing now is going to get out because we are not dragging our website with them. They will think the website is Astra Estate Property, which means there will be confusion. So we don't want it. So all this thing now is going to go out. See, right? Can I delete? I selected this. Okay. We're going to come to the tab to set it. Let's go back again. On the header, this is the header. So how do you want this header to be? Site logo and title. That is this. Now what's the site logo like? This is the logo they choose, which means I'm going to remove it. And see, right? Go to upload files. Select files. I'm going to choose another one. Okay, let me use the hand and see. Open. See it, right? We use it and click select. So it becomes our logo. See how they are going to crop it. So I want to now use. Okay, I want to crop into here. You cannot. I think you will not be allowed to expand. Okay. Well, it's going to be too much. Let me see this logo. And I click crop to appear that way. See how big it is, right? So you cannot customize it however you want. So logo width. Alright? Publish. Let's go and see it here. Coming to what we want. Do you understand? So when you go now, this your logo will be a different one. You don't need to put that kind of logo there. We're not children. So what's the site title? Because you have to stay property. You see that? That's something that will the other side. It's all of them are communicating. You can put estate property Zion, something like that, just to know that something changed now. Estate property Zion. I've been watching. So design will appear here, see, right? You can also change the title color, which we will do later also. Site title visibility, inline site title, okay. Tagline, see property things, right? Right, now let's go see if tagline was shown. Tagline is not showing it, which means we'll find the setting for it to show that property things. They're kind of like slogan. The site icon from here. The site icon is different from that site logo. You get. Can you use this? Okay, that is it for the header. Primary menu. That is this. How do we want it? How do we want to change it? Width of the menu. Configure menu from here. Menu primary, or you can create menu or edit menu. You can create new menu and you can use page to create the menu, so that here we will link to the home. No longer all these articles now. Okay. Do you understand it? No longer that when I click here it will take me down, or when I click here it will take me down. No, I don't want it. You get? Because this is a kind of a linking, and you can see the link here. The link here. But now what I want is that when I click it, let it take me to particular page. Here is about page, so it can happen like that. So we can either use create new menu. This is a primary menu. Edit. See it right? You can now, instead of custom link, you can decide to add a page on it. You can start to edit this one and create another menu. Creating another menu, you start adding items that will be shown on this place. Now if it is on mobile, this thing will not be shown like this. It will be a button. Can you see it now? This is a mobile preview. Can you see the preview? So a mobile phone is look like this. Just like when I visit. What's the name? Estate property something. Estate property shop. Good evening, sir. How are you? Welcome, sir. Do that before you can now show the same with this now. To show. So instead of using phone to be, they just be previewing from here. This is a tab. This is how it will show in your own tab. Good. This is how it will show in desktop users. See the items, right? Simple. So I can now click on services to take us services. So instead of you removing this, you can just go and put the text you want. If you like, if you don't like it, wipe out everything and start your drag and drop stuff. So we can start to change the menu and not to change the whole when we come to your own. We have two menus, primary and primary and secondary. Yeah, primary and secondary, the menus. Primary and secondary. This is primary or this is secondary. There are two places that menu can appear in this particular theme. You get. So all the teams have their own design menu stuff. So we are still managing the header, right? So on the social, here you can put your social media links. You get now. So there is them that now handle where the social media icons will appear. You can't be in the front and misleading. You can't be in the front and misleading. If you are at the back, it will be better. Later, if you will be watching film 18 hours without sleeping. To do this one at 1 minute, you can't stay without sleeping. They will catch you. You better become serious. And now, post types. But that with the header, this is the header, how to manage header. You can also continue managing it. So yeah, I'm just showing you. And post type on the blog or archive. How do you want it to show? How do you want it to show? How do you want it to show? Okay. Blog title area. So this is now for pro version. So all of them have free type and free version and a paid version on it. Okay, let's publish the one we have done. Don't go back, then you cancel it to refresh. So for us to go back again, just go to appearance, clicking on appearance, you can now see the top menu, click on customize, you continue your customization. So we're in post types, so you can now go to general settings. What is about general settings? Breadcrumb, you know what's breadcrumb? Like in your post now, to show you the kind of directory where you are, right? Now let's see inside after before title to show breadcrumb. Oh, it didn't show here. It will show when we have posts. Alright, let's see. Okay. And these are the kind of breadcrumb delimiters. Either use 1 or 2 or this, or center this or this. Let's see here. Okay. I wish they can show this breadcrumb here. Let me publish and let me see. See it here. The breadcrumb. Now. The breadcrumb now, If you are in a post, in a category in a post, it will do this category, the post name on top of that place, so that users will understand the location they are and where possible they can also go. And if you want it like that, it's mainly used by blogs to know the directory you're following. You can decide to use this one to limit them, to separate each of the directories. So once you finish, you click publish, go back again. Where are we now? Okay, we're in sidebar. Sidebar, that thing that shows by this side, or when you have a post that is in sidebar at this side. All this thing you're seeing is AI generated. So let's just do all that stuff. Site identity, still logo and all that stuff. Site identity. Footer, how do we want to manage your footer? This is our footer now. Now let's go and check our footer from here. How it looks like. This is our footer. Copyright at this is a property Zion. Is powered by Astra. So we don't want this powered by Astra. Alright? We can remove it. Right. See that? This place can now delete it from here. But clear, why not clear over here? Publish. I will no longer see this. I will no longer. Okay, yes. You're still seeing, right? Let me refresh. To go out here. It's out. And this is better than this now.
Yeah, very good.
Better than showing their company's to be like, we design it for you. For those who there are those ones that refuse, they are stubborn. Or even if they are stubborn, you go to their custom code inside, they need that particular portion that generates that thing. But when you're updating it, if you come back, you have to do it manual. Unless if you pay them, it will wipe out the time. But I will not pay. I'll use our custom code. So started looking at many projects, homepage settings. Now homepage, do you want the homepage to be a kind of list of your stuff, of your posts or blogs, or you want it to be a static page? Static page is always better because you want to design, put advertisements and all have you. You can use static page, or you can say latest posts. It means this place we are coming now. The latest post now. This is what we are going to see now. I'm going to publish it. Instead of seeing all this thing, you will then see the latest post. Just watch.
Okay.
So instead of what? That home page. Instead of that static page, one page. If I post another one, it will also link it.
Okay.
Alright? So now from here now I can now click to visit it. Now let me see the breadcrumb. You see the breadcrumb, right? Say breadcrumb. It's posted by this person. Now let me go and visit this category. It's going to be breadcrumb categorized. Now let me go and visit this particular post. How do I go visit the post? By clicking the title, visit the post. Alright? under categorize, and they still break come for you. I think it's better. If for bloggers, so, or if you are offering service, you don't need all those things. So that is for latest post. So if you want it in this way, if you want it in this way, that your post should be shown to users, you can do it this way, or you can use static. Even in the static, there's something you can put under the static that you even design that your post, your recent post can also be attached. It is good for customer to or viewers to identify it for you. So now we can then click publish to publish the settings. Alright, then additional CSS, that is where you can now use CSS to design. From here now I can now put my CSS code to design it, which we may not need now. So we're going back, let's add a post, and this is 11:24 because we will not be stressing ourselves too much. So that's, bro, you didn't hear my instruction. Bro, I will use movie and test you one day. If you don't sleep, I will beat you. Okay, now in the appearance, it will show us all the themes that we have installed but not activated. This one is the one that has been showing you customized. This one is 2025 is not activated, but you can activate it. This one you can activate it, or we can add more. Add. See, right? These are the thousands of them. You can see. You can see. You can see. You even find the one that is better than the Astra. Alright? I can now search, let me say I need news team. I'm going to see that news up that I used because they are popular. News up is not here. I can also set it. Let it load so that they will preview how your site will look like. Let me set news up. Network is coming. Open up. News up. So you can search. As you're searching, you can see, this is the news up. That is, see, it resembles that thing I did. Now let me show you. In the benchmark news. The benchmark news. This thing. See it here. So this is how it will look in the desktop. Now let me use it as desktop website now. So right. See this thing. That's the social media stuff. Right? This is the center, the image, featuring image. That's the now this thing that's up is for advertisement. Alright, now this is the thing that was scrolling. It's just that this is an image, if not it will be scrolling. Like this one. So this one previews how your post will look like. If this one, this is better for news sites. This one is better than Astra. This one, at least this one looks kind of better. This for news, as you can see, it looks like news now. Can you see that? See all the news that he has posted already. So when you're searching for a theme, just be relating it to what your client may need or what you want. Some of them are paid version. As you can see, they attached this here for us. Powered by WordPress team, news offline. So if I have time, I'll go and remove their code to no longer see. But you can't see the setting here. Like the way we saw the Astra, you can't see it will not show you the settings to remove it. To be inside the code. I did my own, this is taken from one of the teams. I have to go inside the code and remove it. So if this one is better for you, you click install, review. You get it now. Click install and preview, and your website will look like this. Okay. That is for installing theme. So after installing, you can now start customizing. Alright. So inside our themes, inside the appearance of the themes, you see all the themes that you have installed and the ones you have not customized. Any problem? You people should be down now. Where are you before? Is it jam? So that is it for the theme. Then the plugin. Let me also show you the plugin. Or the plugin should be down. Click on the plugin. I have to pay attention. If you're learning coding, if you don't learn this one, you're just wasting your time. These are the stored plugin, right? So we want to add. You can set the ones you stored. You can add a new one. So now I want to add chat. Let me just type chat. Come back. Come back to say thank you, Jesus. I have say chat with live chat. AI chat for customer and all stuff. Click to chat. See how they are all resemble like WhatsApp. See, I think they're showing it resemble WhatsApp interface. WhatsApp chat. Let's make your web page. Visitors contact you through WhatsApp and okay, for WhatsApp. Sorry, primitive chat jet. See, right? It is a plugin that when you put, you will now have a floating chat result. These are social chat. You can use it to customize chats and other chats. There are many of them. And when your visitor chat come, they can chat. WP chat app and all have you. They can be chatting themselves as if it's a social media. But you have a social media plugin here that looks like social media. People can be posting and all have you. But it's being sold at a greater, obviously, social. Smash button social, SEO. Social chat. You are coming, are you watching the back of the system? Social chat, click to chat app. So when you install this, you click it to save. Let me say details. Let me see if they have their prices. When you start them, you start seeing their prices. So, we can install any one, and let's install one. Elementor now, and let's go to chat. I see that one. I say click and tell us what this one, chat live. This one, let's see what it can do for us. This is what you're supposed to have. Let's install it and see. Then it should activate now, right? You activate. It will now be activated to have access to your website. That's what it means. I want us to learn how it works. Another one. Create widget. Create widget for WhatsApp. Facebook, this is another. Adding a new chat. You can also create for WhatsApp. Choose your channels, WhatsApp. Add line chat. I will do live chat icon. want to show it this way. I want it this way. Select view. Chat will added. Done. Let me see if it is done. I state publication. Showing. Not showing. That means there's a way we are going to make it show. Or maybe they will ask us to do. But we can also customize it here. Okay, save. See, all of them have different ways of arranging them. So you see that the organization of everything is upgrade. I know them. I know them. Let me see. It's not still done. Don't be shaking the system. So those plugins there to study each, just know how each works, and you use them. I don't know how this one works. I'm just pressing it today. So anyone you want to also use, you go ahead. So WP forms, you still have it here. Where is it located? WP form. This WP forms. See, add new form, entries, payments, form templates, settings, tools, and all have you. So the WooCommerce. Did we have the WooCommerce? Okay. You can also add the WooCommerce. Let the plugins. Let's set the Woo. Okay, this one is the one we added. So add a plugin. So you must click add the plugin before I show you. Woo. Now click install. Activate. Activate. Activation is done. You can now deactivate it or you go to settings. Address like 100, you're just setting up your information. So from this dashboard of the WooCommerce now, you can set it up. You see, it has brought us its own menu. You can see your orders, see your customers, your coupons, your home, reports, settings, status, extensions. It has its own extension also. Like you can add, install and add many features and all of it. I think this is just the overview today. Then when we come again, we take it small. And we may even delete it again and start afresh. You can delete the website and start afresh. So you will master it. Maybe I think that's what we'll do once we finish studying some of the components here. We delete, we start afresh. It's not a problem for us to delete. Alright. So you have the question?
Yeah, the OPS now.
Okay.
So I'll give you my email or how will I
Okay. I thought you have it in your system, do you? Okay, we are still recording.
No.
Okay, let me stop recording, right?
Stop recording.